So guys, I found something. Shout out D2 Fonz because I reached out to them because I couldn't find nothing, but then I found something. But the one thing Fonz found, we gonna watch on stream because you gotta watch that after you know what you're watching. Don't worry about it, bro. Happy Wednesday. It's Tuesday. Hello. Welcome back.
I am. Motherfucker.
Hey, we're back through something to react to. Doorbell Mania. Listen, I won't say nothing about that because I don't know who's watching, but doorbell shit is creepy as hell to me, bro. The shit that people do outside of your home is ridiculous, bro. Nobody has any manners. People just don't care and they don't respect your property or doorbell usage, bro. Hit the like and sub to the bell. What the fuck Wednesday? And you know, I haven't even picked the video yet. Let me see. Let's watch the most recent one, bro. It came out today, bro.
Police on their way right now.
Put my package back.
Oh, can I help you?
You gotta get away from my porch, dude.
I'm calling the cops right now.
The clothes on.
Atlanta, Georgia.
Everybody get down. Give me all your money. It's got the boxes.
Oh
Give me
yeah.
all your money.
I just seen this shit. Instagram or something.
This has got to be the most awkward attempt ever.
Give me the money. Where's the money?
Bro.
Everybody give me that.
Imagine the world we living in, bro. Don't nobody give, excuse me, don't nobody give a damn, bro. Did he even show a gun? I don't remember and I don't care and I'm not going back. You sad, bro.
Kick rocks.
Kick rocks. Just leave, my guy. Yeah, goodbye. I'm gonna say this without saying stuff. He went in the wrong place, bro. That's all I'm saying. Like, you gotta do better, buddy. Be a tad more
Milwaukee,
intimidating.
Wisconsin.
Walk in on the burger.
A woman walks into her home in broad daylight to see a man standing in her house.
No bueno, bro.
I'm sorry.
The hell?
He then goes back out the window.
What the hell you mean I'm sorry? I'm sorry. Yeah, you sorry because you about to get It's not, you can't make no apologies to me, bro.
Though he had broken,
I'm sorry.
she's startled and leaves her house, not knowing who else may be in there. She goes to her car to retrieve her phone.
She did right.
He came with an accomplice and they've broken out 2 windows. Fortunately, she was able to get his picture and DNA from the broken glass.
I don't know where the other dude go. Nah, bro, see,
I wouldn't do what this couple decides to do late night.
Hey, what's up? What are you doing? All right, well, this private property, man.
New York City, even with this parcel storage bin, he's...
What the hell? What? Did I miss something?
All right, well, this private property, man.
New York City, even with this parcel
Whatever,
storage
bro.
bin, he still wants the package. Oh, what some people will do, the depths they'll go to get things that don't belong to them.
How smart is a mailbox robbery? First of all, if it's everybody's mailbox and you know what's coming, you just steal everybody's mail. Ain't it like 50 years for fucking with somebody's mail or some shit? You getting 50 times however many units in this motherfucker. And it could be multiple units getting multiple mails. So your ass is grass. Leave the mail alone. There's got to be something better you can steal. I'm just saying, bro.
Check this guy out.
Excuse me, what are you doing? What are you doing? Get
I
out
ain't
of
doing
there.
nothing. I'm leaving. Stop smoking that shit, man.
Waukesha, Wisconsin.
You don't steal in broad day with a yellow shirt. Not even trying hard, bro.
Waukesha, Wisconsin.
Waukesha. What are you doing, sir?
Don't let your packages get wet, miss. I'll bring them in right now.
Houston,
Also, things up top is what the people said. Some man help me get my package out of the rain. Anyone know who he is? Do you respond that regular to fucking Coors Light, man? And this look fake, though. This looks scripted as well.
Houston, Texas.
Nah, nope.
Glendale, Arizona.
What the fuck you drop? Something important, bro. Been blam blam. Thank you, ma'am. Ain't nobody got time for this.
Glendale,
A shoe.
Arizona.
Like stealing shoes. Lady, put that down. That's not yours.
Oh, hell no. I was gonna take it, but it's leaking. That.
Can you believe that? The nerve of this
I was
lady.
gonna take it, but it's leaking.
Las Vegas, Nevada.
I was gonna take it, but it's leaking. First of all, what the fuck is in there, bro? Second of all, that is terrible package handling. Third of all, I hate everybody, bro. Everybody. Refinish, put my front door window, bro. Man, absolutely not, bro.
Dallas, Texas.
Bangity bang bang, bro. Lady, what?
What are you doing at my house? Hello? I'm sorry, I'm talking to somebody that's roaming around my property.
Now listen, I got a couple thoughts. Maybe, you know, she one of them lost people, like, you know, what is it, Alzheimer's or some shit? Or maybe this bitch is high as hell or needs to be high. Or there's somebody grandma and she don't want to claim her. I don't know. What do I know about anything, bro?
Hello? And she going in the backyard.
The backyard.
Peoria, Arizona.
That bitch is a zombie. Was that a twister? These quick videos is fucking me up.
Help, please. I need help,
This man built like a Cheeto.
please.
Need a sandwich, sir. Need a bowl of oatmeal. Some SpaghettiOs.
Hello.
Some deodorant. Huh?
Someone answers your house from there if you trying to talk to me, man.
What? Hey, listen, I'm sorry, bro. This day and age, you cannot help everybody. Nobody has time for this. Nobody has time for this. Do what you do, bro. Get your ass on somewhere.
Oh, Jesus.
Shreveport, Louisiana. Rochester, New York.
Hey, stop doing drugs, bro. Please. You know what I'm saying? How you gonna knock on the door and just like, duh, duh. Who she twerking for? Bitch built like a branch. I'm tired of it, bro. I like the kindness. You're like a gentle gentleman. The shirt kind of fire.
How you doing? You left your wallet, it fell in the street over there by,
Please wait. It may take me a moment to answer.
Fire.
So my name is my cousin.
Yeah.
I said, what's your name?
Patient.
Thank you, sir. God
That's
bless
fire.
you.
Thank you.
Yes,
I
yes.
seen it laying in the street, and I drove by, picked it up, and I seen it was close, so I just figured I'd drop it off to you.
Okay, how do I spell it? B-A-Y?
Yeah, S-H-O-N.
Nah, that's fire, bro.
S-H-O-N.
Patient.
Okay. All right. Thank you,
This
sir.
man is named Payshawn. That's the first time I ever heard that shit. See, you know what? I don't hate everybody. I like this guy.
S-H-O-N.
That's it.
S-H-O-N.
Patient.
All
What is
right.
it?
Thank
What
you,
is it?
sir.
You're welcome.
God bless you, man.
All right, you have a good day.
Okay, you too.
What kind of shoes is those, my boy? It was kind of clean.
Champaign, Illinois.
Still in packages? Cinnamon toast blunts? Look at this man's shirt, bro. I don't know if I like it, don't like it.
Go to jail. You going to jail, bitch. Going to jail. Hey, you stole from a child, you stupid.
Let me see the front of the shirt, man. Shut up. It's the same. I might like it.
Memphis, Tennessee.
I'll go down to Memphis, bro. Man, it's a big ass motion light on all y'all dumbasses. You don't think it's a camera with this big ass motion light, bro? This man just start busting on. Yeah. Some motherfucker would shoot at me because he was trying to steal my shit and I came outside. That's what happened in most situations. But oh my!
San Diego, California.
I swear I would cook you and eat you, bro. I'm gonna steal some mail packages, etc. If nobody's on. This is like Cali a little bit.
Hi, can I have one of these?
Huh? No.
No?
Put it back.
Okay, have one?
No.
Why?
No, put it back.
Cause it ain't chores.
What's this price?
We have a camera.
Are they sugar cane?
No.
Bamboo? Oh, shit, I thought it was sugar cane. Hi, my friend. It's me.
Y'all gotta put whatever y'all doing alone, bro. It's a gajillion drugs out there. I understand. And I can't, you know what? Y'all make me just want to stop smoking weed. That's what it is. Y'all make me not even want to smoke weed, bro. Like, I don't want to smoke weed, drink, cigarettes, and nothing, bro. Because y'all all crackheads.
What not? Jesus. I thought it was the sugar cane got more stuff in it.
Then I thought it was a sugar cane. Don't nobody give a fuck what you thought it was. What?
Chattanooga, Tennessee.
What the fuck did he say? If y'all speaking of Spanish, hey, listen to that and tell me what to say in the comments, bro. Neighbor's dog was kleptomaniac. The dog stealing too? Look at him. They done trained this dog to steal. Welcome, Mets. Why do you need that, bro? What are you going to do with that? Oh, I'm done, bro. You know, dogs is like my favorite things. And you know what? That's a bad dog. What are you stealing that for? It's a dumb dog, bro. You are stealing. This bitch talking about some, I thought it was sugar cane. Who cares, bro? What the fuck is wrong with people, bro? I hope your Wednesday is amazing, bro. Because I can't talk. I'm tired, bro. It's late. Leave me alone. I'm going to eat chicken and rice and mind my business, bro. Enjoy your day. Shut up. Or your night, because I don't know when I'm posting this. just goody bye-byes, bro. Peace, love, strength. You know what I'm saying? And if you order something delicious, order me one too. I'm gone.